In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get 60 FPS on GTA 5 Xbox Series S. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to achieve 60 FPS when playing GTA 5 on an Xbox Series S. So you will be able to change between different modes to achieve higher frame rate, or achieve higher graphics. Depending on what you choose, one will be lowered to compensate. So if you want higher FPS, go over to the settings when you are inside of the game, either online or story mode, and under the display category, you should have graphics mode. In here, you must make sure that you set it to performance. So as the name suggests, this will prioritize achieving the highest amount of FPS possible, which in this case is going to be a targeted 60. So after you change this setting, you are good to go. Now, like I said before, some graphical settings might be affected, but it does it in order to compensate. So it is going to potentially lower the graphical quality of the game, which in turn gives you a higher FPS value. It is a simple toggle, and upon changing this, it is going to be applied. It is simple to do, and the option is going to be available here. Now, if you don't see the graphics mode option and you can't change it, make sure that you have the Xbox Series X or S version of the game. Usually, if you go over to the settings, X is the storage settings for GTA 5, you will notice that you have an Xbox One version and then the Xbox Series X or S version. This is the one that you want. The Xbox One version will run at a locked FPS and you will not be able to change it to performance mode. For online, this usually includes both. So the Xbox One version and also the X/S version. So in this case, if you are playing online, this version should do, but if you want to be absolutely sure, make sure that you have the Xbox Series X or S version of the story mode installed and always launch online through it. Make sure that you don't use the Xbox One version. I hope I was able to help you on how to get 60 FPS on GTA 5 Xbox Series S. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.